I'm going to show you how to do a basic stoichiometry problem and find a limiting reagent. The problem we're working with today is if 69 grams of sodium reacted with 4 grams of oxygen, how many grams of sodium oxide can be produced? Which is the limiting reagent? So, our chemical equation is 2Na plus 1O2, and you get Na2O2. So, to start off the problem, what we're going to do is we're going to do 69 grams of sodium. So that's 69 grams of Na over, what you're going to do is you're going to find the molar mass of sodium. So what you do is you do that divided by 22.9898. And what you want to do is you're going to divide that and get 3.001 moles. So 3.001 moles. This is sodium. And then what you want to do is you want to multiply that by the mole ratio. The mole ratio would be 1 Na squared over 2 Na. Because this is basically over 1. And this will be Na, so therefore these two cancel out. And this is what you're trying to find. So, you do equal, this is going to be our unit. You do equal 1.5005 moles of Na2O2. So, we're not finished yet. This is only the first part of the problem. So now we have to work with oxygen because we're trying to find a limiting reagent. So we're going to do 4 grams of O2, since O2 is oxygen, and then what we did with sodium, we're going to do with oxygen. Therefore, the molar mass of oxygen is 31.998. Now, you're going to get the number of moles for oxygen, and the number of moles of oxygen equals 0.125 moles. And that's for O2. That's over 1. Your next step is to multiply by the mole ratio. You're doing the amount of Na2O2 to the amount of oxygen, which is 1O2. And you get, once you cross that out, that's what you're trying to get, you get 0.12 moles of O2. Now, for our final step, what we do is we want to find how many grams of sodium oxide can be produced from our limiting reagent. Since this is a moles number, that's the answer to this question. So we're done with that. So, to find the amount of grams of sodium oxide that can be produced using our limiting reagent, you would do 0.125, and then you will multiply that by the molar mass of sodium oxide. The molar mass of sodium oxide is 77.978, and then you get your final answer, which is 9.75 grams of Na2O2. So, the limiting reagent is 0.125 moles of O2, and then the amount of grams of sodium oxide that can be produced is 9.75. That's how you do it.